Everything is free for you. You are from Salman's country. She remarked on India's superior internet connectivity, the unparalleled kindness of its people. Traveling the world has gifted us with countless experiences, but nothing compares to the profound pride we feel when fellow travelers, seasoned and worldly both, express their deep admiration for India. These aren't casual tourists, they are adventurers who have traversed continents yet find something uniquely captivating about their homeland, India. The first stories are Dutch Mother's Indian Odyssey. In the vibrant streets of Pushkar, we encountered a remarkable sight: a Dutch woman astride a classic motorcycle with a flawless sidecar, her young son riding pillion. Staying in a modest home, she exuded confidence and warmth. Curiosity led us to ask why she chose India for such an adventurous journey, especially with her child. Her response was enlightening. She spoke of India's apparent chaos but highlighted the unparalleled kindness of its people, mentioning that individuals here would go out of their way to help others in need, a rarity in her own country. Even minor road mishaps were met with understanding, a stark contrast to the often rigid demeanor she experienced in Europe. Her son too chimed in, praising the cleanliness of Indian homes and the cultural emphasis on hygiene, noting practices like frequent hand washing and even washing feet before entering homes. Their journey through Punjab was also remarkable, and they were all overwhelmed with the hospitality that strangers offered, and the conversations made their trip unforgettable. A year later, during her road trip in Australia, she remarked on India's superior internet connectivity, a testament to our nation's rapid technological advancements. Isn't that amazing? Just stay with me. I have got more amazing stories. The next story is a Canadian couple's love affair with India. In Sri Lanka, we met a Canadian couple in their 50s who had traveled extensively. The lady had in fact visited more than 50 countries by the age of 30. To our surprise, they had visited India twice and were eager for a third trip. We had rich interactions with them over our dinner, and we spoke at length about India. Could not stop praising India. In fact, they had spent nearly 3 months in northeast India during one of the trips, forming deep connections with locals and immersing themselves in the culture. Despite challenges like crowded streets and bustling traffic, cherished the essence of India: the food, the people, and the rich cultural tapestry. The desire to return, even amidst visa challenges, was a testament to the lasting impression India had made on them. A Sri Lankan's spiritual connection is another story. In Jaffna, Sri Lanka, we met a young woman who frequently visited India for conferences and workshops. She spoke of a pervasive spirituality in India, a sense of learning and growth that permeated every place she visited. Her words remind us of that profound depth and wisdom embedded in our culture, often overlooked in daily life. The next story is of a Vietnamese gentleman. While staying at a homestay in Vietnam, the owner, a Vietnamese gentleman, shared his fond memories of studying in Pune. He spoke highly of India's recent developments, expressing admiration for our progress in various sectors, especially IT. His respect for India's advancements and leadership was heartening, highlighting our nation's growing influence on the global stage. Bollywood's global resonance is another story. Traveling through Malaysia, we were taken aback by the widespread admiration for Bollywood. In a quaint shop in Kuching, which is a less traveled destination, the owner's face lit up upon learning we were from India. He enthusiastically declared his love for Salman Khan, offering us free items as a gesture of goodwill. Everything is free for you. You are from Salman's country. Similarly, in China, while many knew little about India, they were familiar with Amir Khan's films like Three Idiots and Dangal. In Sri Lanka, we found ourselves in conversations with taxi or auto rickshaw drivers who would start by mentioning their favorite Indian actor. They spoke of visiting cities like Chennai or Madurai and how much they loved them. These encounters underscored the profound impact of our cinema and cultural bridges that connect hearts across borders. These experiences have profoundly shifted our perspective. Living in India, we often become accustomed to its nuances, overlooking the richness that others see so clearly. Hearing seasoned travelers speak of our nation's warmth, spirituality, and progress fills us with immense pride. It is a reminder of the unique essence of India, a land that despite its complexities offers unparalleled experiences and touches souls in a way few places can. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like it, share it and subscribe for more insightful content on travel. Thank you.